Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Florida day 2, and today we are just trying to find some time. It is 10:31 right now, and we are just going to breakfast, and then later on our family came driving, so they are almost on their way. Oh no, they are almost here. They have 7 more hours to go. At 4 we get the house that we are going to be staying at. So right now we're just gonna go have breakfast. We're gonna go get some souvenirs for our family that didn't make it to our trip, and breakfast, souvenirs, and then we're gonna go get some groceries for the house for the week. So just a little errand today. Okay guys, so we just got done with Walmart, and we had checked out of our hotel, but I left my GoPro, chargers, and our AirPods in there, so we have to come back and get that. Hopefully no one freaking stole them or anything. She got my GoPro! Yay! Breakfast is served. Okay guys, so right now we are going to Walmart again to get little stuff for the house. But right now we just got finished. We went to one souvenir shop for her little brother and my nephew. We got them shark necklaces, the shark tooth necklaces. This is what it looks like. So we just got that for them. And then her aunt wanted us to pick up goggles for her daughter, but they look like this. You can't even see. But that's all we got. And it was $20. Like, it's too much money for 3 things. No. And some Wonder Bread to make wonderful sandwiches. And some cereal for the kids, Danimals, some oranges. And then these margarita things that you freeze, and they're so good. We got different flavors: Jamaican Smile, Pina Colada, and watermelon. And then eggs and bacon for breakfast. Okay, so we have made it to where our Airbnb is at for the next week. Okay, so we have arrived to our Airbnb of where we're gonna stay for the next 5-6 days that we're here. It is really nice. It is big, looks big. So right now we are gonna put the code for the door, and then I'll do a little tour, so it's like the first glance with me. Ooh, so as soon as you walk in, there are stairs, a little table, and then some furniture. Here's the table. There's that. Here is the living room. The kitchen. Let's see no, I'm gonna save that for last. So you walk, oh my god, my camera. This is the laundry room. I'm assuming that's the garage. Oh, wait. How do I turn this light on? It smells like cigarette. So this is the garage, I don't know. It's like a little gaming room.
Oh, so we can't put the cars in?
No. Okay. Hurry. I need to save the pool for last. And then we go over here. This is a bedroom. One of the bedrooms.
We might stay here.
We might stay there. You're right. This is the bathroom. And then let's go upstairs. Hurry. Hurry. I think they're here. Okay, so then we're going upstairs now.
Janky.
Yeah, huh? I mean, it's not, we've stayed in better last time, so we're going upstairs. And this is what we see. Everything's like so like dark and closed off.
So the curtains are closed.
But what if something like pops out at us? So here's one room. They have their bathroom in there.
I might pick this one too.
This is the bathroom. Let's pick this one. And then we go out. What is that?
Closet.
That's just a closet. Here's what it looks like downstairs. This is another bedroom, but this one does not have a bathroom. This is just a little, I'm sorry you guys, I'm all choppy. This is like a kid's room, Spider-Man.
It's scary.
Yeah, it is. And then we walk, so that's the kids' room. And then this is the bathroom. And those are just the toilets and stuff. Toilet room. It stinks. And that's the shower.
Open. Stop closing the back up.
And then you walk down this aisle. Here is the kids' princess room, where the kids will stay at. And then this is another bedroom with a bathroom. Oh. Wow. So this bathroom is big. Shut up. Okay. Oh my god. Open it now. Why did it do that?
I have an alarm.
Okay. So then here is the pool that we get. It is pretty nice. So that's just a little rushed house tour. I look so gross. Oh my god. Okay, so we got the fridge loaded with drinks, and then we got the kids some juices, so those are cooling down for them, so when they get here that they can have something to drink. And then we're just disinfecting everything right now. And at Walmart I wanted some other drink, but I got these. They are the Cutwater's vodka soda. They aren't supposed to have any, let's see, any seltzer in it, because I do not like when they have seltzer, like White Claws and stuff. I don't like those. So hopefully these are good. I will let you know. We only got 4 of these just in case, but they look like that, so hopefully they are good.